made it to the TaiChi Car Show. You know, it's actually really lit and shit, you know. There's a lot of big turnout. It's pretty dope. About to go check it out. Yeah, it's pretty clean. Interesting. Cool, pretty cool, sir. It sits really nice. Super clean. Those rims are crazy. Crazy, bruh. Classic.
That is my dream car.
You know what I'm saying? No, it's actually dope. Convertible tow hook, splitter.
Oh, nah.
Crazy. Fit me. Oh, he's got the white body too. Spoiler. I'd drive it.
Yeah, it actually looks really nice.
It wouldn't be my only car, but I'd drive it.
Right, I bet it feels similar to like the Miata feels like a little bit.
Facts. Nah, honestly, it looks fun.
It's a nice like.
Yeah, the newest Audi. Whatever it is, it's always really dope. Alright.
I've never even looked at this too.
It's pretty nuts.
Yo, you gotta post a picture of my TikTok.